What's good, ATM squad? Yo, guys, I'm back for another video for you guys today. Yo, how are you guys doing? I'm back for another banger, yo. Oh my freaking goodness. Okay, so as you guys see from the title, I'm about to do the coughing up blood prank while driving, yo. The prank is about to be really freaking intense, about to be really freaking crazy. I'm doing it on my nana and my cousin. So, what I'm thinking is, yo, I'm kind of scared, you feel what I'm saying? Cause like, I'm really trying to figure out how I'm really about to do this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with driving. I had to switch out my shirt and everything to really get ready for this prank. So I think I'm gonna be driving right. I'm gonna squeeze the blood out of my mouth and I'm gonna just start coughing and like swerve a little bit. But I'm trying to be safe with it. But yo, this prank is about to be really freaking dope on this freaking channel. These are the type of videos that I'm about to start doing. Forget all these reacting videos, even though I'm gonna continue to post reacting videos and stuff like that. But yo, talking about these pranks, these bangers, these crazy video ideas that I'm about to start doing and bring it to this freaking channel. But we're about to drive to the mall, and as we're on the way there to the mall, I'm gonna squeeze the blood out of my mouth and I'm just start coughing, swerving in the car a little bit. You know, and really try to catch everybody's reaction. I have no idea where I'm gonna put the camera in the car, but you know, I'm gonna figure it all out when the time comes. I look pale, but it's the lighting and the setting on this camera. But yo, drop a like. If you're new, join the ATM squad by pressing the subscribe button. And if you really want to show out your love for the ATM squad, let me know in the comment section down below by typing in ATM squad. Yo, drop a like, and subscribe and do all that. Do all that. ATM squad, yo, we be the best squad in the league. And yo guys, I'm out. I'm not even gonna lie, if I drive, I feel like it's gonna be more dangerous. But you know, y'all see, it's either I do it when I get to the location that we're going to, or I'm gonna do it while driving. Y'all see. Smash the like button for this crazy video. I'm gonna try to do the video vlog style and everything, but you know, we'll see how it goes. Oh my goodness, man. Shut up, park.
That was yesterday when he texted me. Now I gotta sit down in his damn garage. He don't feel like walking around in his mall.
You don't want to walk?
Like...
I wanted to walk around with you.
Oh, okay.
Talking about you gotta spend time with me or anything.
Alright.
Thanks, man. Right.
As long as Keyshawn leave me alone.
Yeah,
Keyshawn be clowning me.
For real?
Yeah, he do.
I just tell me why he be clowning you?
I don't know why he do that.
I didn't know how.
Like he don't love me no more. He don't even call me no more. He don't call me.
Man, I just got your number again. What is he talking about?
I tried calling you, couldn't get you. I said, damn.
Because I got a new number.
Wow, why you get a new number?
Because I had to pay for my phone bill.
Oh, okay.
So it changed my number.
Oh, okay.
And then it sounded me out my iCloud, so I had to pay the number.
Okay. Okay, I understand now. All right.
I told you that.
Well, let's see. We're going to see how it goes tomorrow. We're going to see. Look, see. You all right? Huh? You got shit? What? What is it? Oh God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! What?
Help me!
Going on?
I don't know.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Hold on! We in Tyson's Park. We in Tyson's Park. Oh, hold on, I gotta get out. Oh, wait a minute.
You know what you did, Shay?
I need 911. I'm in Tyson's corner.
I found this on the web.
No, fuck that. I need 911 on Tyson's corner, Dad. Hold on, I gotta see what's wrong with my grandson. Hold on, wait a minute. Oh God, what are you doing? Oh, God help me right now. Okay, I got time for oh God.
Oh my God.
Oh God.
Nana, what are you doing? Nana,
stop.
Hey, stop. It's a prank. Nana, it's a prank.
Oh God.
I didn't know y'all looked up at the camera and I was like, oh fuck.
He scared me so bad.
I'm
God,
sorry.
help me right now.
You got more clothes? Cause how you gonna
I'm
get
gonna
more?
kill you. Oh my God. You know they gonna call me back, right?
Really?
Yeah, they call you back on 911.
Just say it was
You thought it was real?
Say
Oh God, help me right now.
say serious.
I'm gonna beat the shit out of this
That
boy.
shit was funny as hell.
God, it was not funny. You y'all just sit back there.
I was like, what happened? I seen the camera, I was like,
Why he wait to give you like that? That shit was not funny. That shit was not funny, Marco. Is the camera still on?
Yeah, the camera's on.
I love you, but I'm mad at you. Shit was not funny. That is not funny, man. Not funny at all. It's okay. I should have known it was a joke. Oh, God.
I was trying to do it while I was driving. That shit would have been hilarious.
DeMarco, you're an asshole. You are an asshole.
Gotta be.
You are. What is that stuff?
I went to Party City. Why do you think I was taking too long to get home?
Oh.
Oh, you said you was going to Walmart?
I went to
Okay, that's it. That's it. They better bring the cops over here. They better bring them. They better bring them for your ass. They better bring them. They better bring them. Go, Keyshawn.
Nana, chill out, chill out, chill out. Oh my goodness.
Don't ever do your nail like that, boy.
She's trying to kill me. Yo, I think this video went out good. I was trying to get this kid right here, but he wasn't. He saw the camera. Smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, press the subscribe button. I was trying to get him, and I was trying to get both of y'all. If you join the ATM squad, man, we lit. We lit over here.
He got on a white t-shirt, right? So he said, "Oh, Dada, help me!" This red stuff started coming out of his mouth. I thought he was throwing up. I done dialed 911 and everything, girl. I'm waiting for them to call me back. He's scared as shit. See, you do the YouTube thing. He's scared the fuck out of me, Corey. I'm getting out of the car, so I know I gotta help my grandson. Mess you up. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him back because he's scared the life out of me.
I was really trying to get this kid right here, cause he was laughing. That's why I was like, Nana, help me. Nana, help me. Cause this dude was saying, bruh, you wasn't even trying to help me at all.
I seen the camera.
Bruh, oh my goodness. I'm sorry. I was
At first I believed it.
I don't
Really?
want to talk to you right now.
Yeah, at first.
You are not here right now, DeMarco.
Am I a good actor though?
My heart is going fast. If I have a heart attack driving this car, you better be able to jump over here. That's all I can
Am I a good actor though?
Yeah, you're a good actor, but that's not crazy, motherfucker. And he plays his joke on his brain.
I was
Really?
trying to get him.
Really?
I was
But
trying
why
to
you say...
because to get him to believe it. This dude was sitting back here laughing. You didn't hear how I was like, my stomach
No.
hurt, my neck.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, that was all in it. He tapped me up from the get-go. He tapped me up from the get-go.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that was good acting.
I just thought he had a pee.
That was good acting. I said, what you guys do, bad? He said, you know. He's a good actor, man. I gotta give it to him. I gotta get you on somebody's show
Thank
tomorrow.
you.
I
Thank
gotta
you.
get you to New York.
It's your boy ATM. Ain't that Marshall?
I get you to New York, though. Like I did Alex, at least I know you'll go back. Alex didn't. Let me waste my damn money.
Yeah, we gotta go to New York soon. I need
we
to
can
go
do that
again.
whenever you want. We can do it.
Alright,
We can
bet.
get a rental car.
But that sounds good.
Let's do it next month.
That's cool. Yeah.
I'm dead serious about that.
You trying to get a hotel too?
No, we trying to get you into some acting shit. That's what you trying to do.
Alright.
You scared the shit out of me, buddy. I'm gonna make some money off your ass. The first check you get, you're gonna cut me some.
I'll give it to you.
All right now,
10%.
I deserve that after you shocked the shit out of me. Got my damn hands tingling, feet tingling, and everything.
You want 10%?
My nerves been, no, I don't, yeah, about, no, I don't want 10%. I don't want to be greedy. Well, 10% is not bad.
I'm gonna be making a lot of money
10% is good.
off of this and off of everything else.
I'm
Okay.
holding to that too.
Yeah. You wanna shake on it?
You ain't gonna do it. I know you ain't gonna do it.
We shaking on it.
We doing live?
Yeah.
Alright, we doing live right now, okay?
Alright, bet.
My name is Dee Dee. I'm DeMarco's grandmother. He's an asshole to me right now because he played that trick on me. He got my heart going like this. And see, look, that's how nervous I am.
How'd you feel?
It was pretty good.
Pretty good. It's better than DDG's videos, huh?
That one was a good one. I gotta give it to you.
Hey, DDG who?
We gotta give a shout out to DVD. I mean, what's his name? DVD. What's the name?
DDG?
Yeah, we like him, but yeah, that was, he ain't better than this.
Somebody
was
been
good.
texting
I'm
me.
about to take DDG's spot. No cap.
Facts.
Yeah, he about to take it all.